Alright. Ghost in Your Genes was a documentary, basically, that explored the revolutionary idea of biology. That the inheritance isn't driven solely by the DNA sequence that we inherit from our parents. Instead, there's another layer of biological information called the epigenome, which influence which genes are turned on or off. These switches help explain why identical twins can develop very different traits or diseases even though they have the same DNA. The film shows how scientists discovered that the epigenetic markers can be influenced by the environment. Things I learned are that epigenetics adds another layer to already main genetics, like the epigenome controls how genes are expressed without altering or underlaying DNA. One of the other things I found interesting that I learned was inheritance is actually more complex than we thought, because I learned that not all inheritance is explained by DNA alone. Experiences may have biological consequences that span generations. I thought that was pretty cool. What I thought of the overall video, I thought it was pretty cool and thought-provoking documentary. It explains the concept very well, which I enjoyed, and I liked because I don't like science usually. And visually and narratively, I guess, the documentary balances expert interviews with clear analogs. The bioethical aspects of epigenetics it raises several important and ethical and societal questions, I guess. Basically, like responsibility and blame. Like, lifestyle choices that could leave biological marks on future generations could be used to blame people for factors beyond their control, such as like stress or poverty, or another one is the research and intervention of it. Epigenetics therapies show a promise in treating diseases like cancer with fewer side effects, but they also kind of raise questions about unattended long-term effects on the germline that might influence future generations. I don't know. Basically, in conclusion, though, like, Ghost in Your Genes really doesn't just explain the epigenetics. It prompted me to rethink what inheritance really means and how deeply connected our biology is to our environmental and life experiences. It's pretty cool and fascinating. So I liked it. Thank you.